Varo Advance disappears for most users when eligibility drops due to account activity changes, missing qualifying deposits, or when the app refreshes your risk profile and temporarily removes access. By the end, you'll know exactly why Varo Advance is not available on your account and the exact steps to get it showing again. Start with eligibility. Varo Advance is not a permanent feature on every account. It shows up only when your account meets internal qualification rules based on usage and deposit activity. If your account activity changes, the feature can disappear without any warning. Next, check your direct deposit history. Consistent deposits are one of the main factors that affect advance availability. If your direct deposit stopped, changed accounts, or hasn't been detected recently, Varo can remove advance until activity resumes. Updating your payroll details back to Varo is usually the key step here. Now, look at account activity. Low usage can impact eligibility. If you haven't been using your account regularly for deposits, spending, or transactions, the system may temporarily stop offering advance. Normal activity over time helps restore visibility. Another issue is account verification status. If your identity verification is incomplete or recently updated, Varo may restrict features like advance until everything is fully confirmed. Checking your profile section for any pending steps is important because even one missing verification can affect eligibility. Now, consider system updates or recalculations. Varo periodically refreshes account data and risk scoring. During these updates, features like advance can temporarily disappear, even if nothing is wrong with your account. They usually return after your next qualifying deposit or after your account activity updates. Also, check for app or display issues. Sometimes advance is still active, but the app doesn't show it correctly due to outdated data. Logging out, updating the app, or reinstalling it can force a refresh that brings the feature back into view. Here's the simple breakdown. Varo Advance not showing usually comes down to missing direct deposits, low account activity, verification issues, or a temporary eligibility refresh inside the system. Do this next. First, confirm your direct deposit is going into Varo. Then use your account normally for a few days with regular transactions. After that, update the app and log back in to force a refresh. If you see any verification prompts, complete them immediately. If advance still doesn't appear, your account likely hasn't met the current eligibility requirements and will need consistent deposits before it returns. Fixing these steps restores advance visibility for most users without needing support. Bye.